We did another cut and set, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Finger detangling is the best first step. Then I go in with my double row wide tooth comb, and look at that. So I am really thoroughly detangling this time because I was kind of embarrassed the last time I went to get my hair done and how bad of a job it looked like I did with detangling. So I wanted to make sure that my hair was actually detangled this time. So I used a conditioner and I used my fingers to first finger detangle, and then I used a comb and then a brush to make sure it was really detangled before I went to the salon. That way she would be able to work faster through my hair. Last time it took a long time. It was mainly because I did a horrible job in detangling. So I look like a little kid. My hair is still dripping, but this time she did say she wanted to cut my hair wet because last time it was dry. It just takes so long because I got so much hair. My hair is so dense. Go! And she thinks maybe cutting it wet will be easier. So it's a good thing that I just
turn right onto the I-495 West ramp.
I'm actually gonna be on time, so we'll be good. I will catch you at the salon. At the beginning of the visit, you can see she's cutting my hair or trimming my hair. I'm still experiencing a lot of single strand knots, and that means probably split ends. So there is still a lot for her to cut, and she let me feel the difference in textures of where she'll ultimately need to cut off compared to the newest pieces that are starting to grow in from my scalp. So anyways, she's cutting hair and we're just talking. I talked to her about the struggles that I had because it's still taking me quite a long time to wash my hair. And I also bought a lot of questions. I bought some of the questions that you guys have been asking me to my stylist, just because she actually knows my hair. She's the one who does it. She touches it. She's actually seen it in person. So she's a professional. So yeah, this was very helpful. And I finally got a hooded, yeah.
Thank you. Did you see the difference?
Yeah.
Did you see the difference with air drying? Did you see the difference, ma'am?
I mentioned the hooded dryer because on my first visit, she told me to get one. Second visit, she followed up and asked me if I got one. And I told her both times no, because I was doing twist styles until my hair became hydrated, so I didn't need one because I wasn't doing wash and goes. Turns out I wanted to try wash and goes, so I bought a hooded dryer. If you haven't seen the unboxing for that, go ahead and check that out. So here's all the hair that she cut, and we're off to the back for the shampoo and conditioning part. So when I was sitting in the chair and telling her all my struggles and my concerns and all that, she was telling her assistant that she needed to walk me through each step again. So I used the mirror like I did the very first time to make it look so easy.
It's not that bad. So I start smoothing it down, and then what I find that separating does is it helps grab all those shed hairs and then smooth it back out of your hand too. So since you detangled, you don't have that many shed hairs, but some are coming out of my hand.
Right.
So separating it, because like a lot of times, like your hair will like to get tangled right at the scalp too. So if you separate it, you pull it out from the scalp and then elongate it down too. That really helps.
And she thoroughly explained each step from washing the hair to conditioning, different techniques. We were just talking through it. So I would tell her how long it's taking me to do a certain step, and just looking at what she was doing and kind of learning from that. So yeah, I might not be using enough, because like I put the conditioner, then I put water, and then I like scrunch it, and I hear the sound, but it doesn't look
as
like
sloppy as this?
Yeah.
I would say use a little more, because you want as much slip as you can.
Right. And that's probably why it's taking me longer to get to it,
right,
through it, because it's not as much slip.
Also, I like to work
Or
the
not
conditioner
enough
in your
butter.
hair before I start detangling too.
Yeah.
But conditioning is an active step. You want to squish, you want to smooth, you want to rake it into your hair. It's going to help soften your hair and help detangle it too. So do the same like techniques that I was showing you with shampooing, separate it and work it in there. If I don't have enough slip, I'm going to add a little bit of water.
So when she was washing my hair, she only took about 5 minutes to do the first shampoo, which is supposed to be focusing on your scalp, which is definitely not what I do. I would spend too much time shampooing. And I'm always learning things, and I always enjoy learning new things about my hair and ways to improve upon the things that I'm doing. So of course, after she washed the hair, she conditioned and detangled using the Felicia Leatherwood brush, which I do have at home. We're on to styling. So first she did the Uncle Funky's Daughter curl stimulator and applied that throughout my whole entire head. Of course, added water after that, a lot of water, and then went in with the I Create Hold. So we're almost done at this point, and she's just finishing up. Then I go outside and shake my head to get rid of the excess water, and then I'm under the dryer. My very favorite part of the day. Just kidding. I hate being under the dryer because my hair is so thick and dense, and it takes forever for it to dry. This time and last time, my hair was not fully dry, so they got a diffuser and was able to get the spots where my hair wasn't dry. Y'all don't laugh at me. This clip is horrible. The angle is really horrible. I still need to get my hair shaped at this point, and this was before that. So I'm just showing you my gray hairs that the stylist covered up with this, I don't know, it's like a temporary hair dye, I guess. You just rinse it out and it's gone. I did not ask for it, but I mentioned my gray hairs when I first got there that day, so she was like, I know you didn't ask, but I'm going to give it to you anyway. It was cool because I feel like I have this patch of gray hair in the very front center of my head, and it's just so obvious. Gray hairs are so stubborn. They do what they want to do. But anyways, it looked cute the way she had it. And now she's shaping my hair up. So she's just trimming the ends to give it a shape. And then at the end, the beginning and the end of the visit, they take pictures so you can see a before and after. And that's it for the visit. So this is so exciting. I love every time I come here. I'm always learning. And I'm always amazed by my stylist. She's very nice, and she shows me that she cares about my hair. You'll see that in the very next clip. They're probably like, ooh, the sunlight. They're probably like, this girl is on her phone too much. But I'm just recording the experience, and oh, I'm loving the sunlight. But like, this is how hair looks after my third appointment. You can see the curl definition. You can see the progress that's being made. I love it. So leaving the salon, and I'm really feeling this. It's only going to go up from here, so we can definitely see the progress that's being made. And I'm gonna show you guys where I came from. Let me show you guys right here how it used to look. My first visit, I'll show you that. Even when she was washing my hair, shampooing my hair, and my hair laying down this time as compared to last 2 times, I guess, where it was more puffy. So I can see it. She cut my hair. I came in with detangled hair. She trimmed it. She got like maybe an inch, half an inch off, and she said there's like 2 more inches to go. And she let me feel the difference between the new hair that's growing on my hair since I've been going to her and committing to this new lifestyle versus the hair that's been on my head for a while, so the ends. And you could feel the difference in texture. And so she was like, this is how much we have left to go. So the next time I'm just gonna ask her to cut it all off, like the piece that we don't need, because I'm still struggling. to do my hair. And I tried to tell her that how long it takes to do my hair. She was like, no, it should not be taking that long. We're here to cut down the time that you do your hair. So she actually wants me to come in on Thursday to wash my hair here so she can see how I wash my hair, which I think is amazing. I love that for me. I love that for her. And like, she's just so sweet. And she actually cares about me and my hair and my lifestyle, because I told her that it's still taking too long for me to do my hair because I'm taking too long on each individual section or part of wash day. So my shampoo process is just too long. Condition, detangle process probably too long because I'm doing double work. And I showed her one of my videos of what I was doing, and she was like, that's double work. So I'm gonna come in on Thursday, and she's gonna show me how, well, she's gonna critique me as she watches me do my own hair. She's not gonna do my hair. I love that. So I'm very satisfied with my Kinky stylist, and I'm so glad I found her. I love it. I love her. That's it for now. I gotta go because I'm about to go to dinner. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my third visit to the Kinky salon. I am thoroughly enjoying this whole new lifestyle, new journey. I can definitely see the progress, as I've mentioned multiple times in this video and multiple times in previous videos. Like, it's the hair for me. It's curling, y'all. The curl definition, the hydration that I'm starting to see. Y'all. Anyways, thank you for watching. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing my journey, following my journey of this no oils, no raw oils, because y'all got me before. No raw oils, I'll say it. No raw oils and no butters. Natural hair detox. I'm still calling it that. I've said this in previous videos as well. I call it no oils, no butters detox because that's what people are looking for on YouTube. And plus, my hair is still detoxing. It's still taking a little while for, like, there's no true definition up here. And so once we get there, I might take the detox off because it's just my lifestyle. But for now, I want people to find my videos, and that's how they do it. So yeah. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. I really appreciate all the likes, subscribes, the comments. I definitely appreciate those, and keep doing it. I'm trying to have a community here where we both, the viewer and me, feel comfortable talking to each other, asking questions, or just making comments. Let me know if you think I'm doing good. Because part of me thinks that I'm not doing something correctly, and actually I'm not doing something correctly because my stylist told me. But anyways, let me know. Give me encouragement. I'll give you encouragement. Yeah. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, share this video out to all your girlfriends who are interested in this no oils, no butters detox. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.